Family, remember the cold pastor Kevin Smith? Well, the coroner has now ruled on his death.
This is where you want to know something I represent for Deeproots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Greetings and salutations. Yeah, it's your favorite Rasta. I'm burning all wicked and lying pastor. And me definitely a burn up Kevin Smith, the cold pastor. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel if you burn out the lying and wicked pastor. More life and more joy. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Suicidal pastor Kevin Smith casual fatal car crash incident has shown the ill-fated car in which the controversial Pastor Smith was being escorted by a cop alongside Linstead bypass on Monday, October 26, 2021. Smith and Constable Orlando Irons died in an accident which occurred about 9:30 a.m. A coroner inquest has cleared the cops who were transporting the controversial pastor Kevin Smith, with the judge ruling that the clergyman caused the fatal crash 2021 accident along the Linstead bypass in St. Catherine in a bid to commit suicide. Judge Carol Hughes handed down her decision on Tuesday in the coroner's court in St. Catherine. Smith, 39, died from crash-related injuries in October 2021 while being transported by the police from Montego Bay, St. James, faced murder and other related charges to Kingston. 26-year-old Constable Orlando Irons, a fugitive apprehensive team, also died in the crash. Days prior to the authorities had stormed the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministry compound in Albion, St. James, where Smith was presiding over the bloody and fatal ritual. The coroner's inquest was held to probe the circumstance and led to the death of Smith and Irons in the crash. Hughes ruled that the collision did not occur because excessive speed and found that the cops placed before the inquest were credible witness. It was held that they are not negligible or in negligence in carrying out their duties, according to the attorney at law, John Jacobs, who represented the Jamaican constable force and the two officers. According to Jacobs, the judge found that based on the evidence, Smith assaulted the cops who were transporting him, stating that his actions were unlawful and dangerous and caused the death of Irons. On the balance of probability, this was not death by motor vehicle accident. Kevin Smith died by suicide. The judge found that Smith's unlawful acts were responsible for the death of Irons, said Jacob. So even when the man get whole, the evil pastor still take out another person after he direct the egregious slaughter of his congregation. Imagine Kevin Smith take one down with him on the way underground. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Let me know if you know any other evil, lying, wicked pastor like this. This is cold pastor Kevin Smith. They said he was at the side of the sewer. He commit suicide, never take no bribe. Leave your comment on this one. More life, more joy, more happiness.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deeproots TV. Listen up, Sid. Rastafari.